How does single-use plastic negatively affect the oceans? By Kody, Mackenzie, and Bryar, Clarke.
The most common single-use plastic and how long they take to decompose. Plastic drinking water bottles, 450 years. Plastic bottle caps, 450 years. Food wrappers, 10 to 1,000 years. Plastic lids, 10 to 1,000 years. Straws and stirrers, 450 years. And foam takeaway containers, 1 to 200 years.
Single-use plastic takes many years to decompose. In addition, toxic substances are released into the soil when plastic bags perish under sunlight, and if plastic is burned, they release a toxic substance into the air, causing ambient air pollution. A recent report showed that plastic production contributes to planet-warming greenhouse gas emissions at every point in its life cycle.
The microplastic food chain. When we litter or don't throw out our garbage, a good percent of it goes into our oceans. Once in our oceans, our fish think it's food, which leads them to consume said plastic. If people catch that fish and eat it, that increases your chances, or anyone else's chances, of getting diseases or even dying.
It is estimated that up to 14 million tons of plastic ends up in the ocean each year, which is the equivalent to a garbage truck's load every minute. With all the plastic in our oceans, most of our marine animals can become entangled or ingest these plastics, causing suffocation, starvation, and drowning. Once the plastic gets in the ocean, it decomposes very slowly. And while decomposing, the plastics break down into microplastics, which damage not only our oceans, but the animals in them.
What animals are affected the most by single-use plastic? Sea turtles, seals, sea lions, seabirds, fish, whales, and dolphins.
How plastics get in our oceans. About 90% of all the plastics in the oceans gets blown into rivers, streams, etc., and eventually go into the oceans. Some people just litter.
What was our action? We did a bake sale as our fundraiser and are donating all the money we raised to Plastic Oceans, which is a charity that uses their money to end plastic pollutions. This fundraiser took place at Atlantic Windows on June 3rd. We baked blondies, chocolate chip cookies, double chocolate chip cookies, chocolate cupcakes, and vanilla cupcakes. And we raised $99 and are working on donating all the money to the charity.
Thank you to Atlantic Windows, Water Docs, LSF, LST, and Plastic Oceans.